Hello friends, today in this video we are discussing near about 60 interview questions and answers regarding MEP. MEP means it is, what is MEP first of all? The first question is what is MEP? MEP means like for example your HVAC services, plumbing, firefighting, all electrical services. All together it is called MEP systems other than civil building. This is called MEP systems. What is plumbing? Plumbing means water supply and drainage systems and complete system for domestic and industrial purposes. And what is HVAC? The third question, what is HVAC? HVAC means heat, ventilation and air conditioning systems. And it is basically like your ducting, any chilled water, pumping systems, everything it is included, even your AC grills and diffusers, everything is included in HVAC systems. What is isolation valves? Fourth question, what is isolation valve? Isolation valves means like your bowl valve, like your gate valve, like your butterfly valve. All is isolation valve. Means this the flow of water, flow of liquid, it is isolated. That is isolation valve. What is DRV? DRV means double regulating valve. Double regulating valve means, for example, it is using basically for the chilled water valve package return line. This is basically using in double regulating valve. What is glycerin calibrated pressure gauges? Glycerin glycerin calibrated pressure gauges it is using for for sensing the line pressures and all for hydraulic testing and other purpose. There is a liquid is there inside the pressure gauge. This is glycerin actually, and calibration means the third party certification for that pressure gauge. What is vibration pad? Vibration pad which is using below the AHUs, where we are fixing the AHU in the plinth. There is a pad we are fixing to absorb the vibration. This is vibration pad. What is vibration isolators? It's same like vibration pad, but vibration isolator basically is we are talking about the suspended devices, for example, FCU, and the suspended things are even small AHU is there, suspended one. There is a spring type isolator is there, that is vibration isolators. What is plinth? Plinth means in the floor, wherever we are fixing the equipments, mechanical equipments like pump, booster pump or HVAC, something like that, HVAC, the AHUs, we will make a plinth with the concrete, like box shape, and in the top we are fixing the our equipments. That is called plinth. What is normal plinth height? Plinth height normally 10 to 15 centimeter. Normally 10 centimeter is the plinth height. Most of the area have seen. What is valve package? Not wall package. Valve. Valve means all our valve. Valve package means in the equipment like AHU and FCU, we are fixing a lot of valves, control valves before connecting to the in between the unit like AHU and the chill water system. There is a valve systems is there, DRV is there, isolation valve is there, wise trainers are there, many things. This all systems is called valve package. What is the name of flange between AHU and the chill water line? Very important. Dielectric flange. Dielectric flange means there is no direct contact with metal surfaces. There is a special because the thing which is coming inside from AHU, it is copper, and the chill water we are using, it is carbon steels. So there is a valve, specific valve, flange is using, that is called dielectric flange. What is pedal flange? Pedal flange is basically using for our water tanks, firefighting tanks, storage tanks, in order to avoid the leakage of fluid, leakage of water or something. In the This pedal flange means the piece of pipe and there is a sheet which is welded in surrounding so that water will not come out. And also it will be fixed there properly. This is both things are there for pedal flange. And what is overflow sensor? And it is using for what? Overflow sensor means when there is two sensors there in the water tanks. When the water is filling up, there is a float valve is there. In case of float valve is damaged, it is coming to the overflow pipes. There is a sensor we are fixing and connected to BMS systems. It is an electrical float type switch. This will indicate that this tank is overflowing. And the electrical systems, the BMS system, they will get the informations. What is sump pit? Sump pit you can better check with Google YouTube so that you will get a proper understanding about sump pit. What is GRP tank? Glass, rectified plastic. Correct? GRP tank basically using in Gulf countries for water storage. And there is two types of GRP tank, like one is insulated, one is not insulated. What is booster pump? Booster pump means the pressure we need to increase in certain level, controlled level. For example, if we are fixing the overhead tank, the water pressure may not be sufficient for pipelines. So we are fixing a separate pump unit. It is called booster pump. What is pressure pump? Sorry, what is transfer pump? Transfer pump system also you will see from for example bottom tank to the roof tank, the water is transferring. This is transfer pump basically. What is normal pressure in the domestic water line? Now domestic water line we need a pressure minimum 1.5 to 2 bar. If it is more, your wash basin when we are open, it will hit and it will spread. If it is less, you will not get the proper water, and in the shower area you will face a lot of problem if the pressure is not there. What is PSI? Pound per square inch. Many Gulf countries they will give the unit in PSI, not in sometimes in bar, sometimes in PSI. 1 bar is equal to 14.5 PSI. And what is 1 bar pressure in water? 1 bar pressure means, for example, you have a 10-meter head water storage. In the bottom, approximate 10 meter and 10 point something it is, very micro. 10 meter water height in the bottom, when you are fixing a pressure gauge, you will find 1 bar. This is 1 bar. What is human comfort temperature? And human body comfort temperature. It is 22 to 23 degrees Celsius. And if you go deeply, you will find 19 degrees Celsius also. Because in the bedrooms, some countries, they are designing 19 degrees Celsius bedrooms. And in bathroom, it is 24 to 25 degrees Celsius because you are naked. And in normal living area, it is 23 degrees Celsius. What is delta T? Very important. The temperature difference between supply water and discharge water, AHU, FC, whatever it is. Specifically, that particular thing we are using delta T system. What is again we are coming? What is minimum comfort airflow in one room? 0.25 meter per second. And one more interesting question. This question will not ask high technical people. Normal project managers, if they are taking the interview, they will ask 1 ton AC, how much CFM air will throw out? Near about 420 CFM. This is normally standard system. Best software to calculate cooling load calculation. HAP. HAP. HAP cooling load calculation. That's it. And 29, question number 29. Dia of wash basin pipe drainage, normally 50 mm. Dia of WC, any water closet pipe diameter, 110 mm. Trap using, which are the traps using in the, surface water drain. Surface water means, for example, your shower, something like that, or washing area, something like that. 4-inch drain you have seen. There is two types of major traps are available, mostly using. One is multi-floor trap. It is like a bottle trap, something like not bottle trap. It is like a, something like a pipe with a dead end, and there is so many connections are there, and there is a water seal is there. The what we call air seal, we can say. Yeah, water seal. Yes, the smell will not transfer, and the mosquito, sorry, the cockroaches and all, it will not pass. This is the main concept of floor traps. And another one floor trap is their P trap. There also water will stuck over there, so that the smell will not pass out, and a rat. This is basically a floor traps we are using. What is PPR? Common question. Polypropylene, random copolymer. It is a PPR pipe for using for water supply pipe. It is a green color pipe. You can notice in the construction. What is PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Even we are studying this in schools, colleges, and all, I think. What is HDP? High density polyethylene. This is black color pipe. It is very hard. HDP pipe. There is I have make one video before also. The building systems and all, HDP pipe, how to build. What is the first manhole height as per standard? For example, we are making the manhole in the building surrounding. The first manhole should be a certain level depth should be there. That is a minimum depth should be there. 40 centimeter. What is benching in barcode? Sorry. What is benching in manhole? Benching means when we are making the manhole, we will connect all the pipes and all, and there is a plastering inside the manhole in the bottom level, and we will make a path to travel the soils and all. This is called benching. What is 100 mm pipe slope? 1:100. What is the issue of overslope? Overslope. For example, if you think that I will put more slope, so more soil will travel like that. No, it is wrong. The water only will flow, and your soil will stuck over there. That's in there. Choke-up will be there, and there will be big problem. So the design slope only must provided. That's it. No, don't provide any overslope for the drainage pipes. What is NRV? Non-return valve, basically using for water supply lines and tanks, water tanks, everything. Everywhere we are using, and pump units, booster pumps. Those areas we are using NRV. NRV means non-return valve. Water will go from one direction only. It will not come back. There is a flap is there. It will hit back. What is two-way valve and what is three-way valve? Very important question. Question number 36 and 37. We have near about 60 questions and answers. Do you have time, or I have time? I will sit with you. Don't worry. What is two-way valve and what is three-way valve? I explained before also. Two-way valve for fixing for FCUs and AHUs. It is controlled with VFD system, variable frequency drive systems. Three-way valve, if the pump, your chill water pump is running in a constant speed or something like that, in that case, three-way valve must need, because you need to divert the water flow. Otherwise, it will, if you close all the, if you are fixing two-way valve, all the areas, everything is blocked and pump is still running, dangerous. That is In that situation, we are using two-way valve and three-way valve, VFD and non-VFD systems. What is VFD? VFD means variable frequency drive. Variable frequency drive means the pump RPM, revolution. The pump RPM, we need to, increase, decrease, whatever it is. Then, the heads, 50 heads, 60 heads, 30 heads, 40 heads, it will change accordingly. The pump rotation will change. This system is called VFD. It is using for all for, mechanical systems. What is invert level? Pipe bottom level is called, inside inner diameter bottom level is called invert level. What is pull out test? Many people, they will ask this question. Pull out test. This is basically using for supporting suspended systems. Like for example, you are hanging one FCU, small AHU or something like that, or equipment. The consultant, they will ask pull out test. You will fix one anchor fastener and there is an equipment, it will pull it down and there is a load carrying capacity, it will be there. 400 kg, 600 kg. Normally 10 mm, I think 400 kg, something like that. Load carrying capacity is there. This is the one thing, okay. And that is pull out test. What is float test? Flow test means flow test and there is a gravity test also is there. For example, drainage pipes, we cannot do the pressure testing. Drainage, the toilet drainage pipes. There is, we will, how it is testing, I will quickly explain. In the toilet bottom, there is suspended so many pipes. Pipes will be there, drainage pipe. We will dummy this one in the end where we are connecting from to the shaft, and we will in the toilet area inside we will raise the pipe 1.5 meter height, and we will fill the water for 24 hours. If it is leaking, we will detect from the bottom. This is gravity test, and normally any gravity test, any flow test also. Some people they are saying, I don't know exactly. This is the system. Okay. What is hydraulic test? Hydraulic test means the normal pressure testing, like 10 bar, 12 bar. We are pressurizing the piping. It is 1.5 times of working pressure. Okay, how much pressure you need to hold up. What is smoke test? Smoke test is using for ducting. Duct lines, if it is leaking or something, all joint we will fix through pass the smoke inside the duct and we will check if it is leaking. That is smoke test. What is air pressure test? Means it is using for if for example you fix so many chill water, maybe firefighting pipes, plumbing pipes in common areas, and there is something we need to protect. Maybe flooring is done, ceiling is done, everything is. In that case, first of all, we will do with compressed air air test. It is for safety purpose because it is in your project specification. Air test may not be acceptable. Hydraulic test must need. What is here? I go to the next page. What is DP test? Dye penetrant test. It is for using for heavy chill water pipe. There is 3 chemicals are there through spray. When you are spraying these chemicals, any welding hole is there, it will detect. It is dye penetrant test. Okay, it's very important question. If you are ordering FCU, basically FCU, fan coil unit, the manufacturer, they will ask right side coil or left side coil. Very important question. How you will answer? See, if you are standing in front of an FCU and the FCU the air is hitting your face, this is the correct position. Your right hand is right side of HU coil, left hand is left side of HU coil side. You can decide. Clear? Okay. What is soakaway? Soakaway means the rainwater, some surface water also is throwing over there. Some areas is there is a pit in the big pit in the external. They will excavate and put some aggregates and all. There is a wall is there, and water will go there. It will penetrate to the earth directly. What is gully trap? Gully trap means, for example, main chamber is there, sewage chamber is there. Before connecting to the chamber, the surface water is coming from toilets. This surface water, all it will come to the gully trap. After gully trap, it will go to these chambers, because the smell will not go back, and this cockroaches, something like that, it will not go. For hygiene purpose, it's extra safety is gully trap. And then another one more question, another one more important thing, concealed manhole and non-concealed manhole. Concealed manhole means in the interlock, you can put the interlock in the top of the manhole also. There is a frame you can see in the square. It will be visible outside, only square. And inside also you can put all the bricks and all, even tiles also. The copper type also you will see maybe something, the frame. Only narrow frame you can see. Normal manhole means the only full solid manhole, the GI or some, not GI, some metal, I think, cast iron manhole. Okay, what is FIC chamber? FIC chamber, final inspection chamber. FIC chamber, many people they will trouble you in the interview. FIC chamber, final inspection chamber, which is connecting to the municipality and all from the building. This is the final chamber we are making. From there, it is directly connected to the municipality. FIC chamber selection is very important, and the level of FIC chamber is testing is important before starting any drainage work. Otherwise, your pipe will be down and FIC chamber is up, your water will not go. You need to do the pumping again. Very hard. And we will discuss about some documentation part. What is IFC drawing? Issued for construction. When you are taking a tender, there will be some drawings. Tender drawing is different and IFC drawing is different. Issued for construction purpose. Almost the same like tender drawing, but little different. What is shop drawing? Shop drawing means from the IFC drawing, the construction people they will detail it, everything. That is called IFC drawing. It will submit for approval, and after approval only we will start work. And what is RFI? RFI means a request for clarification. In the specification, in the drawing, if you have any doubts from the consultant, you can submit RFI. What is IR or ITR? Inspection report, everybody know. Inspection test report. This is IR or ITR. What is MIR? MIR means material inspection. Material inspection means, for example, first of all you will submit material for approval. After approval, when you are purchasing bulk, the consultant will check it. It is called MIR. What is material submittal? What I say 55. Question number 55. Material approval, MA. Material approval means as per the specification and all, you will study everything, you will submit the materials like pipes or equipments, whatever. What is vendor list? Vendor list means the manufacturer recommended suppliers list. It is available in the method statement. No, sorry, in the specific project specification. What is method statement? Method statement means your safety things. When you are starting a work, how you are arranging, how you are organizing the things, how you are cleaning that area, how many things you will describe there, and it is called, altogether it is called a method statement. Should be approved when you are before starting a work. It is a part of legal document also, I think, in Gulf countries. And daily toolbox talk in UAE or especially in Dubai, you will find this daily toolbox talk report. It is that before starting any job in the Gulf countries, you need to talk all your people like regarding safety and all, how you are working, how is your how you need to go there. All together we will discuss in the safety meeting, and this is called a toolbox talk. This is, and all the people they will signature it in the paper document, and it will keep it in a separate board. So this is a legal validated document. If somebody is accidented in site, they will check the daily toolbox talk record. What is project specification? As we all know, project specification means while they are issuing the tenders and all, they will issue the specification. This pipe should be that thickness and what material, something like blah blah blah. A lot of things they will explain related to the project. That is site specification, project specification. Maybe soon I will upload some project specification in my channel or in my website somewhere. I'm making one website for downloading all the I have a lot of shop drawings, calculations, everything is there with me. So I will issue for my people who is loving MEP. So you can enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye.